Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dressing in salad. To begin, combine 3 parts olive oil with 1 part vinegar in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and a grind of black pepper. Whisk these ingredients vigorously until they are fully emulsified and appear slightly thickened. This simple vinaigrette forms the perfect base for many delicious salad creations, offering a fresh and tangy flavor. Once you have your basic vinaigrette, it is easy to customize. Try adding 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a richer flavor and better emulsification. Fresh herbs like chopped parsley, chives, or dill can elevate the taste significantly. You can also swap out red wine vinegar for balsamic or apple cider vinegar to create different flavor profiles. Feel free to experiment with a 1/4 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. For a creamy dressing, start with a base of 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt or mayonnaise. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for savory depth. If the dressing is too thick, thin it out with a small amount of water or milk until it reaches your desired consistency. This creates a rich and satisfying dressing. Proper storage ensures your homemade dressing stays fresh. Always store your dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Before serving, give it a good shake to re-emulsify any separated ingredients and bring it to room temperature for optimal flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, freshly made salad dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.